Unlocking Algebra, Exponents and Radicals. Hello, learners! Today, we're delving into a fascinating section of algebra, specifically exponents and radicals. This topic is essential for GMAT's quantitative reasoning section. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of these powerful mathematical tools. Exponents are a concise way to represent repeated multiplication. When you see a number raised to a power, like 232 to the power of 323, it means the number 2 is multiplied by itself 2 more times. Example: 23 equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 82 cubed equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 823 equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. In this expression, 2 is called the base and 3 is the exponent or power. When working with exponents, there are a few essential rules to remember. 1. Product of powers. When multiplying two powers with the same base, add their exponents. Example: m times n equals m plus na caret m, times a caret n equals a caret m plus n. M times n equals m plus n. 2. Quotient of powers. When dividing two powers with the same base, subtract the exponents. Example: m equals m minus n. Frac a caret m, a caret n, equals a caret mn, and m equals m minus n. 3. Power of a power. When raising a power to another power, multiply the exponents. Example: n equals m times n, a caret m, caret n equals a caret m times n, n equals m times n. Radicals, commonly known as roots, are the inverse of exponents. The square root, represented by the symbol sqrt, is the most commonly used radical. Example: 9 equals 3, sqrt 9 equals 39 equals 3 because 3 multiplied by itself equals 9. Just like exponents, radicals have their properties. 1. Product of radicals. The square root of a product is equal to the product of their square roots. Example: a times b equals a times b, sqrt a times b equals sqrt a times sqrt b. A times b equals a times b. 2. Quotient of radicals. The square root of a quotient is equal to the quotient of their square roots. Example: ab equals ab, sqrt, frac a, b, equals frac sqrt a, sqrt b, ba equals ba. Exponents and radicals are deeply connected. For instance, the square root of a number is the same as raising that number to the power of 0.5. Similarly, the cube root is like raising to the power of 13, frac 1, 3, 31. Example: 16 equals 160.5 equals 4. Sqrt 16 equals 16 caret 0.5 equals 416 equals 160.5 equals 4. And that wraps up our dive into exponents and radicals. These tools are essential for solving many algebraic problems, especially in GMAT's quantitative reasoning section. We hope this breakdown has been illuminating. Keep practicing, and soon, these concepts will be second nature to you. Until next time, happy learning!